Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine in less than 5 minutes. This routine normally takes me about 10, but we're going to get started with my little towel and by putting my hair up. First up, cleanser. I use the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Creamy Formula Cleanser. All products that I use today will be linked in the description box. I start by wetting my face with some cool water and then do one full pump of cleanser. I rub in circular motions all around my face and I always include my neck. And rinse again with cool water. I was always taught that cool water really awakens the skin, tightens the pores, you know? Drying my skin with a face towel. I do not rub, I pat dry. Next up, eye cream. I do like to put my eye cream on after cleansing. I use the Clinique All About Eyes in the Rich formula. I take a little bit bigger than a pea size amount and I apply on each of my ring fingers in a patting motion until it is all absorbed. My mom actually used to work for Clinique and she always taught me that your ring finger has the lightest touch. Toner time. I use the Breath of Fresh Air toner from Lush Cosmetics. I use a cotton round and I spray either side and apply in sweeping motions across my entire face and up my neck. Fourth step, serum. I actually recently started to use a serum. I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost serum and I use a half a pump and drip a small drip on the high points of my face and neck. And I just kind of rub that in gently. I really do love the Neutrogena Hydro Boost line. It gives my skin that hydration and moisture that it needs without being greasy or too much. On an average day, I do wait a few minutes in between each step to really let each product absorb and sink in. Last step, moisturizer. I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield, that's a mouthful, with SPF 25. I do use their regular Hydro Boost at night, so stay tuned for a nighttime routine. But I do like the City Shield for the daytime. Gotta have that extra SPF. I put it all over my face in a sweeping then patting motion to really get it in there. I also go down my neck and also my chest since those areas are normally exposed, especially during the daytime. Boom, morning skincare done. I always top off with a little bit of lip balm. I'm using the Burt's Bees in Pink Grapefruit. Thanks, Vinny, my brother, for getting that for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Again, all products that I used are going to be linked in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time.